We picked up another Phantasmal Flames mini portfolio. Let's rip it open and see if we can't get something nice. What would be really awesome would be that Charizard. So of course it comes with another one of these cool little card binders, just the mini one, and our Phantasmal Flames. Alright guys, let's cross our fingers. If you like this kind of content, please consider liking and subscribing. It always helps me out a lot. And I will see you guys in the lives. Let's get it. Quick card for you. And here we go. Fighting. Zigzagoon. Misdreavus. Toxel. Lotad. Alcremie. Cerulege. Fire Breather. Crocodile, Wigglytuff, Palmont, and that was it. Alright, I don't know why I didn't think that was the final one for a second. Alright guys, I'll see you in the next one. You all have an amazing rest of your day, and peace.